Alright, greetings Daudi. How are you?
I'm doing fine.
Wow, so how long have you been building onto this home?
It took me 8 months to build this building. It's all out of bags and red clay, and it's very reasonable. Can you imagine a building for 400 CDs and waterfront property?
Alright, what year did you start?
2010. I came in 2009 to live. I started building in 2010.
Alright, cool. 3 years. So, alright, excellent. And this is the bags, right? And how many bags?
The 2 doors. 2,500 and it cost me 400 CDs.
If this wall was all closed.
Wow.
And Muhammad helped him build it.
Yes, I have been putting up this good bags. I'm here carrying the clay and the bag, setting it up gradually. You put the sign in the bag, then you heat it with some wood. Now you heat it, then you get it flat. He started. He said he did it. I mean,
was that the beginning of your weight training?
To build your own house. Yeah, because the one
Come on in. We're in Daudi's bathroom. We got 2 doors, 1 door in and 1 door out. Hot and cold running water. The electricity thing you put on top of it.
you get a line and then you build. You get a line and then you build. Now, the one that has been built already, it might cost, some are even $80,000, $60,000. Yeah. US dollars. Yeah, US dollars. So if you have between $20,000 to $30,000, you should be able to build something like this. Yeah.
20 to 30,000.
Yeah.
You can't build a house somewhere in America.
You can get it.
What do you think? We can definitely do that. But we got to
Alright, we are back outside. Alright, our tour bus. Daudi's workshop. And the house from a distance. Go back a little bit. On the property, another house, like a 1-bedroom chalet.
And what I did for one of our brothers is that
Alright family, and here's the backyard, Lake Volta. And earlier we was on the same lake right here, doing our cruise up and down the lake to go to the dam, and also just to check out different daily cultural activities. Alright, and here's our bus again, and we're directly in front of the house. Okay. So you yourself can build a nice sustainable home in Africa. You get access to land and get a crew of people to build the house of your dreams. And you can use whatever material you want. From sandbags to dirt bags to wood, brick, anything you desire. All right, our sister Sass here. Now you remember Daudi? Not sure if you came here last time with us, maybe not. But what you thought of the house, the sustainable house?
Wow.
Water, electricity, all
water,
sustainable.
Hot water. It only took a few moments for the water to get hot in the bathroom. Really cool bathroom with 2 doors in, one out. But the electricity, the hot water, the solar energy is all energy efficient and sustainable, like long. But the most impressive thing is it's on the banks of the river. Where we
You talking about Lake Volta?
Lake Volta. We were on Lake Volta, and then we saw Daudi's house from the lake, and we were like, wow! And now we get to be here from across the water. I'm gonna go down by the water. You're down there, take pictures way all the way down. You wanna go down by the water?